Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a Kendama unboxing. Today we have a new Kendama from Kendama USA, and it is a new Kaizen Nova Shape half split. I got this in the black and orange colorway, and this was a Kendama that I bought back in the day when they had the tribute half splits. So I'm super excited for this to relive some of the memories from when I was playing with that Kendama, and that black and orange half split that I had was one of my first few Kendamas when I started playing, so really excited to open this, so let's get started. And I also have a little hand cam here so you can see what I'm unboxing close up. A little shaky, sorry about that. Side. That's all. Alright, so we got the classic Kendama USA stickers in the red and white. We have the Kendama, the new Kaizen Nova Shape half split in orange and black. Man, this color is amazing. As you may know, I've been posting a few Giants videos, so that's why I chose this colorway. It's one of my favorite colors, obviously, huge Giants fan. Man, this is really nice. Classic black and orange with the amazing Kaizen box. Detail. I love the details on this box. The waves, the half splits on the colors. On the top is black, bottom orange. And a little bit more on the back about Kaizen, Nova shape. And this is my first Nova Kendama, so I'm super excited to try this out. Alright, let's open the box. Alright, sorry about that. My SD card said it was full when it was not full at all, so I don't know what happened there, but hopefully we fixed that. Anyways, we got the half split Kendama. Looks amazing. Great colorway, great packaging. Alright, let's open it. So as you can see, we have the new tracking dot on the top. The original half splits did not have this tracking dot, so that helps a lot with doing spike tricks when you're locating the Tama. Comes in the nice bright orange string, around almost 10 fingers. And the bevel, nice big bevel. Silk paint, great for lunars and lighthouses and balance tricks. And then for the Nova Shape Ken, much different than their previous Kens. So it's updated shape, so bigger cups, I believe. And there's also a base cup hole in the bottom, so that helps with lunars and other balance tricks. Yeah, it feels really good in the hands. Sure, the lunar balance is amazing. Then we got the sticker pack. Oh nice, orange stickers, perfect. And then matching orange string. Orange and black stickers, wow. I love how they match, it's like perfect. All orange stickers, wow, and black, let's do black. That's great. I like how they change it up from the original red and white stickers. Yeah, so that is the Kendama USA Nova half split in the orange and black colorway. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys pick one up for yourself. I know I'm going to enjoy playing this for sure. And I will hopefully try to post a trick on Instagram. I know on Instagram I haven't posted in a long time. It's been like 10 months since I last posted. So hopefully I'll get a trick on this and post that on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.